What's the meaning of apogee? Apogee. Apogee.
Apogee. Apogee. Apogee refers to the point in an object's orbit and it is farthest away from the center of its orbit. It is the opposite of perigee, which is the point in an object's orbit and it is closest to the center of its orbit. The term is most commonly used in reference to celestial bodies such as the moon or a satellite. At the apogee, the object will be moving more slowly than at any other point in its orbit due to the gravitational pull from the central body being weaker.